I'm on that white horse, I'm Hercules. I ball out like Rage on Rondo. Get him drunk, then take him to
Alright. So guys, what's going on to the channel? I am Orkine. My channel used to be a gaming channel, but now I'm turning it into a car channel, so sorry about that. But let's just say I have a few major plans for this now, and this channel's going to be good now. I got bored of gaming, just an update for everyone. I still game now and again, but because I'm working a lot, I don't really have time for working on my car and doing gaming as well as uploading and editing and all the rest of it. But I'm loving my cars right now. I can't lie about that. So I do have a Lancer. Lancer is my thing. This has been my baby for about 2 years now. Now, I could have went out and brought an Evo, but I wanted something different. I wanted a two-door, and they don't really make Evos in two doors, so especially in that style. I like the 2000 spec, 1990 to about 2000, 2005. All other cars, I'm just like, but so yeah, I got big plans for that car, but in the meantime, I needed a daily, so we went out and brought a Honda, an EK Civic hatch for about $2,000. Now there's a few benefits to this car, and it needs a lot of work. So one of the benefits is this thing has a turbo, so this is going to be fun, but we have a few problems, few oil leaks, and CVs need replacing, tie rod ends need replacing. The oil links are mainly coming from the sump pan, so we're just gonna have to take the sump pan off and redo the gasket, the seal for it, and hopefully that fixes a lot of issues. But plan is to tidy this car up and make it look good and get it functioning so I can actually daily it, so I can start doing stuff to the Lancer. But that's what my channel's gonna be about. So I hope this kind of helps everyone and why I've been gone for so long on YouTube, but it's gonna be good. I'm actually stoked. I'm so happy like to actually start doing stuff, like especially to cars. And now that, like, I've always wanted a Civic, like a hatch Civic, and now that I've got one and it's already got the turbo there and everything, I'm actually so keen. I'm so keen to clean this thing up and just make boost, man. Driving that thing home, like, oh, I was giving it some shit, and oh my god, I loved it. Every freaking second of it. The fluttery boys, the boost, everything about it, I loved it. But yeah, so this is my short video of my channel update and what's going on and what I'm going to be doing. So I hope you guys stick around. I hope you enjoy the content and stuff like that. But I'm going to be teaching you guys a lot about cars. How to clean things up, how to repair things, fiberglass repairs, rim repairs, spray painting, how to do basic services on your car, how do you change your disc brakes and your brakes in general. Like, there's going to be a lot of different stuff on this channel, and yeah, so stick around and have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.